What is normal to you? A banana to have a yellow peel. But how would you react when you see a blue one? It still looks like a banana, feels like one, but you hesitate. What is the first thing that comes to mind? That you might get dirty when touching it? That you might get intoxicated if you eat it? Now, what will a child do in this situation? As he is curious by nature, he will be more attracted by the blue one. But when did we lose this curiosity and the courage to discover things about others? Our sense of curiosity and courage decreased because of society's influence taking the form of prejudgments and preconceptions. Skin and hair color, fat or skinny, lawyer or garbage man, Indian or French, we learn how to differentiate people based on superficial characteristics instead of making that extra effort to see what's inside. What you think about others is one thing, but what do you think about yourself?